everyone! Welcome back to my channel. At nandito tayo ngayon sa Atomy Concepcion Marikina Center. My name is Hannah and I'm here to introduce to you the Arabica Black Coffee. Ngayon, magtitimpla tayo ng mocha coffee using the Arabica Black Coffee. First step, salin natin yung black coffee sa isang malinis na glass. Second step, maglalagay tayo ng konting hot water to dissolve the black coffee. Stir it. Simple like that. And then the next step, kuha tayo ng chocolate powder. Didissolve na natin siya sa konting hot water. Stir it until ma-dissolve yung powder. After this, maglagay tayo ng water. Pero this time, hindi na siya hot. And then, maglalagay tayo ng ice. For our last, since ito na yung na-dissolve natin yung black coffee, sasana natin siya dito. And there you go. The mocha coffee using Arabica Black Coffee. Let's taste it. Tamang-tama yung sipa ng pait at ng tamis ng chocolate. Don't forget to like and follow my Facebook page. Thank you! Hi everyone! Before I end this video, I'd like to share to you the benefits of Atomy Cafe Arabica Black Premix Coffee. It has 100% Arabica beans, known for their rich aroma, flavor, and delicate taste. Low caffeine content, it means natural. Our Atomy Arabica Black is a good option sa mga hindi mahilig sa merong caffeine kick, lalo na yung mga madaling magpalpitate pag umiinom ng kape. Number 3 is the antioxidant benefits, such as vitamin E. Nakakatulong din ito para mabawasan yung infections and diseases. Once again, my name is Hannah and I'm here at Atomy Concepcion Marikina Center introducing Atomy Cafe Arabica Black Premix Coffee. Don't forget to like and follow my Facebook and see you for my next vlog. Thank you!